Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the EA app "This title may have been downloaded" error. First, if you bought the game through Steam or the Epic Game Store, completely close the EA app. Make sure it is no longer running in the system tray. After that, open Steam or Epic Games Launcher and launch the game directly from your library instead of using a desktop shortcut or opening it from the EA app. If the error still appears, clear the EA app cache. Open the EA app, click the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, select Help, and then choose EA App Recovery. Click the option to clear the cache and wait for the app to restart. Finally, repair the game files. Open your launcher where the game is installed, find the affected game, click the three dots on the game tile, go to Properties on Steam. Then click on Installed Files. After that, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files and let the scan finish. If the is installed on the EA app, click the three dots next to the game and select Repair. Wait for the verification process to finish, then launch the game again. Thanks for watching.